What if you had a second chance at Bitcoin? A single investment that could reshape your financial future? That window is opening again, but not where you think. While everyone is watching the past, the groundwork for the next 1000x crypto giants is being laid right now. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Everyone's looking for that one crypto that can turn a small investment into life-changing wealth. But with thousands of coins out there, how do you even begin to separate the real projects from the pure hype? It's practically a full-time job. In this video, we're going to filter out that noise. I'll be breaking down the top established coins and the emerging crypto narratives that experts are watching for the next big breakout. We'll look at the data, the market-moving stories, and the specific reasons why these assets could take off. We'll cover both the titans that can offer stability and growth, and the riskier frontiers where the future of this industry is being forged. First, let's talk about the foundation of any serious portfolio, the established players. And don't make the mistake of thinking their biggest moves are behind them. The data suggests they might just be getting warmed up. Our first coin is, of course, Bitcoin BTC. It's called digital gold for good reason. It has a fixed supply and growing adoption as a hedge against inflation. But the real story this year is the flood of institutional money. Massive inflows into spot ETFs have fundamentally changed the market. Because of this, some optimistic analyst projections for the end of 2025 are pointing to targets between $135,000 and $200,000 if institutional demand continues. Of course, risks are always part of the equation. Some analysts caution that a strengthening dollar or regulatory surprises could trigger a pullback, with a drop to the $95,000 range being possible in a bearish scenario. However, the long-term trend of corporations and even sovereign wealth funds adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets points toward a very bullish future. Next up is Ethereum ETH, the king of smart contracts and the engine of decentralized finance. Its value isn't just speculation, it's rooted in utility. The entire ecosystem of decentralized apps, NFTs, and DeFi protocols runs on its network. With ongoing upgrades and huge ETF inflows boosting institutional demand, the outlook is incredibly strong. For 2025, many analysts believe a push toward the $5,000 mark is well within reach, with some models even projecting highs over $9,000. Looking much further out to 2030, the predictions get even more dramatic, with some highly optimistic forecasts suggesting Ethereum could reach between $10,000 and potentially over $70,000. The primary risks are rising competition and ensuring the network can scale, but for now, its dominance is clear. If you're getting value from this breakdown, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We put out insights like this every day to help you make sense of this fast-moving market. Now, let's move beyond the giants and into the emerging trends where the next 100x returns might be found. These are more speculative for sure, but their potential is tied to some of the biggest tech shifts happening in the world right now. The first major narrative is artificial intelligence, or AI tokens. The combination of AI and blockchain isn't a distant dream anymore. It's one of the hottest sectors in crypto. Projects like Bittensor, Render RNDR, and Fetch.ai are building everything from decentralized machine learning networks to AI-powered autonomous agents. These tokens are creating the foundation for a new, decentralized AI economy. The reason this area has such explosive potential is simple. It connects directly to the multi-trillion-dollar AI industry. While individual tokens are high risk and volatile, the AI crypto sector as a whole is a trend that savvy investors are watching very closely. The second groundbreaking narrative is the tokenization of real-world assets RWAs. This is all about taking physical and traditional financial assets, like real estate, private credit, and even US treasuries, and representing them on the blockchain. Why is this such a big deal? It brings liquidity to markets that have traditionally been very hard to trade. Imagine buying and selling a small piece of a skyscraper as easily as you trade a stock. The RWA market has already seen massive growth this year, climbing to over $24 billion. Financial giants like BlackRock and Franklin Templeton are already active in this space, tokenizing US Treasury funds. This trend is bridging traditional finance and crypto, with some analysts projecting the market could grow into the trillions. The main obstacle is regulation, but the momentum is undeniable. So looking at the crypto landscape in 2025, we have a powerful mix of opportunities. On one side, you have the established giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum. which are still positioned for major growth thanks to a wave of institutional capital. On the other, you have these powerful new frontiers in AI and real-world asset tokenization that are creating opportunities for potentially life-changing returns. The key is to understand where each of these fits into your own strategy. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, and you must always do your own research. The crypto market is incredibly volatile, and managing your risk is everything. If this analysis was helpful, make sure you're subscribed. And now, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which of these coins or narratives you are most bullish on. For trending topics and actionable crypto insights, join our insiders group on our website at GenerationalWealth.biz. Thanks for watching. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research.